So recently, yeah. Recently, yeah. Recently, yeah. Can I say Jay Breeze?
Okay.
Recently, yeah. Oh, for Koya, Shemilashe. Oh, for Koya, Shemilashe. When I never see the tape. Oh, for Koya.
Hello there, my Bongalicious people. Mo go straight to this video because now 2-in-1 video. Tonto Dikeh boyfriend arrest and Tiwa Savage tape where they scatter Twitter up and down. We go leave Tiwa Savage matter for the end. Now mo talk about Tonto Dikeh. Some people say Tonto Dikeh arrest her boyfriend. That was not the case. The boyfriend arrogancy now end up to arrest. Now, how the matter say happen or how I say yeah the matter be same. The guy, he get where Tonto Dikeh for lodge for like na Abuja. He get where she for lodge. The guy now so waiting us up for some days now where he tape and Jenny conversation don't hit social media. Be like say the guy no take and well. So the guy now can't follow Tonto Dikeh or can't trace Tonto Dikeh, reach the place where Tonto Dikeh lodge. He can't use the motor block Tonto Dikeh motor for the parking lot where Tonto Dikeh leave the motor. And blocking Tonto Dikeh motor self even scratch Tonto Dikeh motor. Workers then come outside. The guy come with 2 policemen. Workers then come outside and the chaos and everything. The things have been problem between Tonto Dikeh and the guy. People they try to put mad. The police then where the guy come with. No, they make the thing easy. Seeing say that the guy 9 days at fault. Now the whole Jenny. Their conversation where they for social media, you know, say in your conversation at a time, he talk and say if they think of Jenny, thing they stand, you know. So it's like him himself, you know, they am okay say that tape even the aside apart from the Jenny matter. So when the thing they go on here and Tonto Dikeh they argue, the people, the worker, this will not be like say it they happen for room now where only you and Tonto Dikeh there are other witnesses. The workers they waited for the hotel that they try to even talk to them, but even the policemen they way in come with they threaten say they go shoot the workers. You can imagine. So management then say they go take the matter to police station. All right, they go report the matter to police station. So may they go because the argument they turn to chaos for the place. So they had to go. The next day will be Monday, yesterday. Now they can summon 2 of them, like they sent for 2 of them for police station because of the matter. So when the judge had the matter be, you go see say the guy clearly overuse whatever privilege when he gets. He just want to show Tonto Dikeh say if he mess him up or if he deal with her. But it's just that the thing called backfire at this time because even innocent people, they threaten innocent people and just behave as if say even the hotel self na your own or na you get Nigeria. So when they listen to 2 of them statements and 2 of them arguments, they decide to make Tonto Dikeh go. Make Tonto Dikeh go and carry her car, make she go. But the guy, they decide to hold the guy because of harassment. They decide to arrest the guy. This now why the guy remain for station, and this now why Tonto Dikeh can't do a video saying she did not fuck anybody who don't deserve to be fucked or who did not see it coming, whether man or whether woman. She dey flaunt the car because last when she dey come up for the police station, she go pick the car because both Tonto Dikeh they no carry the car come out on Sunday but till Monday. So that now waiting happen for people wey feel say Tonto Dikeh just go and arrest the guy. Tonto Dikeh, if he get something on the guy before, if she for don't arrest and seize because the guy personally hurt Tonto Dikeh more. In fact, I would say the guy hurt Tonto Dikeh a lot apart from the embarrassment. So if Tonto Dikeh get something against the guy, maybe she for don't arrest and seize. But now the guy now can't give Tonto Dikeh reason. With the over proudness, now I can't give Tonto Dikeh reason or bring reason out for the arrest. So now what is up? Maybe if they judge the case, they feel bail am because now harassment, now they take lock him up. So maybe small time they go feast bail am, you know. I don't know, but that now waiting happen will lead to the guy arrest. Now to Tiwa Savage Mara. if you don't watch reach this place and you never subscribe to this channel and you like this channel, I bet subscribe and join the family, and give this video thumbs up if you like, and thumbs down the video if you don't like, and it make me they appreciate or know the videos the way una like. All right, yeah. So Tiwa Savage matter, the video, if you watch the video, I almost want bring the video here for now, so now we'll see what they talk about, but I try to cover and prevent her body. I no fit the video just this summer. I no fit cover. If I cover and the guy, I no fit. So that's why I no go show una the video. But I watch the video for people where they argue, say not be Tiwa. Tiwa even make statement like joke, say Obo almost put on, or Obo put on for problem recently. So una go know say Tiwa Savage they aware say na she. Tiwa Savage agree say na she. So why you they say not be Tiwa Savage? Is it that you watch the video, you decide to say not be Tiwa Savage face be that, or you know watch the video at all? The video, first of all, the video background, the place where they even they do the piascari, everything is so wrong. The person when they like say he bring out the video in public, that thing can never be a mistake, not be like mistake. Somebody purposely. How I wish Tiwa Savage pay that money. It's possible say that tape go still come out. And the place when I for blame Tiwa Savage for this matter, the first time I feel say maybe they do video where Tiwa Savage no know. That one no go be her fault because she don't know. She just do a normal piascari like human being will not be firewood. But seeing the tape, there is not. I know sure say it is possible say person not go know say that the video and maybe the video no go dey like 2-3 steps far from you. How is that possible? The place where they keep the video or they keep the camera, you just they close to them, they show them well. So Tiwa Savage must they aware of that camera being recorded. I don't know how I want to put and say they are aware. Now, if Tiwa Savage they aware of that record, why did you allow it in the first place? Why you go they make love to somebody and you allow record to the record you? What will be the reason for the record? This not the place when I no even understand. Why you allow them? Even though I say that now your personal property, say okay, if that guy don't come out, if they watch the video by yourself and they see your style, which no make sense, so but more just put on like that because crazy things will not make sense. Now most people they like. So maybe later if you go back, they see all your style move because I see so they do a lot of style. Like this is not even funny. This one are your privacy. Now they invade. So funny at all. I feel for Tiwa Savage, but the truth still remains. Say maybe now that video na Tiwa Savage personal property. You can store it for your laptop, you can store it for your phone, and then your phone get problem, you they go give person make they repair and the phone, the person they enter the phone. The person don't already get waiting there for the phone. Like there are so many things that can go wrong when you decide say you want your own tape. You want to record your own self. How I wish now something where they steal now say you they do your own piascari in peace. They go and somebody just dodge one corner and they do the record. In a different case, really. And the way that they face the camera, you they see Tiwa Savage face where, but the guy face they in kind of not like the guy self don't even look familiar. For Tiwa Savage, what they say now the guy that I'm with, like now the guy where you they date be that. The guy just be like person when he be like say you go call for service and the person go call and give you all the whole style. Give you all the whole style. So next time you go call him again. The guy is just trying his hardest. For the background, you go see say the guy just do what am I saying? But this not the truth. Okay. Tiwa Savage saying this is the guy that I'm with. The guy self on his own. Like I don't know. People, anybody who watch the video probably go understand me. Is it that you are with this guy or maybe once or twice you are just a hook up, together? If not, except say she just wants to make the matter die, she no want build case. I believe say Tiwa Savage want build case. She know where this thing from in the first place to go there. and start to dey look for person wey do you this thing. It's very, very possible say this thing no just come out without Tiwa Savage getting a little bit of idea where the thing pass come out. So you see that she want case or she no want case, you will just stay for him to die. But video like that die for internet is almost impossible, because maybe now they go add this video, now you go they see am for adult movie where you know expect, because the thing just go outside different people phone. So for you to the way when this thing die, if he not die, but the matter, the talk can die down a little, but the tape no go die down. Except say you just find person will do this thing and deal with her now. At least maybe you just don't want to console yourself. Say the person will do this thing, he at least suffer small for him. But say you try, say you dey do piascari, you dey do the video of your own piascari. I don't see any sense in it. At least now, because say you dey do video of your own piascari, that's why the video self they leak at all in the first place. So say you know encourage your own video, maybe the thing they're not going to even say anything where they want to watch self. If na sex conversation, make it be sex conversation, not be the real deal, like the real thing outside in public. Tiwa Savage actually na strong person. Now strong person say at the end of waiting people see on social media about you, and even the guy self, not be say the guy na one kind, not be say the guy na one kind guy wey, hey God, she actually still stand up, raise her head up, and still find a way to joke about it and just go about her normal business, you know. Tiwa na strong woman, I must give her that. Drop a comment down below what you wanna think about this matter. I go see you now for my next video. Now bye.